Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy XCover X7 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. Then tap on Not Now and OK in the pop-up, or simply OK. Tap on your device's displays and click on Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. In last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, OK in white pop-up, and then got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button. Then wait. Close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!